In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a support ticket system in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, centralized place to capture requests, triage them quickly, and track progress from start to finish. First, head to ClickUp using the web app or desktop app and sign into the workspace where you want to manage support. It helps to start from the Home or Spaces area so you're oriented. If you work across multiple workspaces, double-check you're in the right one and that you have permission to create items there. Next, choose or make the space you want to host your support tickets. If you already have a space for operations, customer success, or IT, you can use that. If not, create a new space dedicated to support so everything stays organized. Give the space a clear name and, if you like, set a color and icon that make it stand out in the sidebar. Keeping support in its own space makes it easier to manage access and reporting later. Inside that space, look for the plus button to add new items. You'll typically find a plus near the space or folder header or in the left sidebar. Click the plus and make sure you're adding a list in the correct location. If your space uses folders, pick the folder you want first so your list lands in the right place. Choose Create List, then name it something unmistakable, like Support Tickets or Help Desk Queue. You can add a short description that explains what belongs here. For example, internal support requests or customer escalations. This context helps teammates submit the right items to the right place. Now customize your list so it behaves like a true ticketing system. Set statuses that match your workflow, such as new, in progress, waiting on customer, and resolved. Keep them simple and meaningful so nothing gets stuck. Add custom fields to capture critical details up front. Priority, request, type, impact, or department are common choices. If a particular teammate or team handles new tickets, set a default assignee and turn on priority so urgent items are easy to spot. Consider adding multiple views for day-to-day work. A board view grouped by status is great for triage, while a list view with columns for priority and assignee is perfect for reporting. Save filters like Open Tickets so the team can focus on what needs attention now, and sort by priority or due date to surface the most important work. That's it. You've created a streamlined support ticket system in ClickUp. Start capturing requests in this list, refine your statuses and fields as your process matures, and enjoy a single, organized source of truth for your support work.